So, guess what? Having coffee. Y'all got coffee? I already have my lemon water. I already have my oatmeal. Now I'm having coffee. Then I gotta get ready to go to work. But just wanted to pop on and talk to you guys a bit. Basically, I remember me telling you I've been doing that yoga. Well, I'm still doing it and I'm actually kind of liking it. I don't know if it's helping any, but I am staying faithful to it and we shall see, right? So got into jeans, but is that from the dieting or is that from the yoga? So we will see what happens with all of that. But it's called Lazy Fit Yoga, and it's a chair, which I started out, and I'm gonna eventually go to the wall, but I'm doing the chair right now, and it's pretty amazing. If you guys don't know about it, you should try it out. It's just an app that I've done on my phone. It's a lot in the beginning of upper body, arms, and I had a little bit of legs, but not much, but it's arms, chest, like in working your stomach, working your shoulders. So, and you do it right from sitting in your chair. So that is kind of fun. It's fun being able to do that every morning. And it only takes 10 minutes and it lets you rest in between. So anybody can do these yoga exercises. And I guess something's better than nothing, right? So I just wanted to kind of talk about that a little bit. I have been weighing and measuring everything. I have been counting everything. And, well, there you have it. Hopefully, Wednesday, I have a big drop. I am so hoping. So we shall see. I'm hoping to get out of one set of numbers going into another whole set, right? That's my goal for this week. So I really, truly want to make this happen. And it's going to. It is so going to. Do you guys believe we are already into almost June? What is going on with this time? It is flying by. My goodness, it feels like it was just December. And now here we are at June already. Man, half the year's almost over. So I am working with my license plates because Florida they do not have to have your title, and Missouri, they have to hold the title. So I'm having issues getting the forms and getting the things that I need to get filled out from my loan company and sending it over, and they said it could take a really long time, so I'm hoping that's not the case, but my plates are up in July, so I might have to move back to Florida. Darn. Anyway, so that is what I'm dealing with a little bit right now. Like I said on the video yesterday, I'm hoping that I can get my transfer. They've already approved it, and I'm just waiting to get a schedule. So hopefully I'll be able to do that this week also. They'll be able to tell me, hey, next week you start. Crossing my fingers, because I just really am ready not to drive all that to work every day. So that is another thing that I am dealing with. Life over 55, you know what I'm saying? I am having leg cramps issues again. Like, they come and they go. So I woke up, I guess, probably 2 or 3 times last night with leg cramps. So, and it's my feet and it's my calves that are cramping really bad. So poor buddy, he didn't know, up and down. Anyway, so that was something that I've been dealing with, and I'm drinking plenty of water, so it's not that I'm hydrated. I'm eating bananas, so I'm still getting my potassium. So I don't know, I have no idea what's happening, but old age, I guess, I'm getting to be in the late 50s, so therefore things happen and things go, right? All right, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, that was my phone ringing, so I had to take that. Anyway, so as I was saying, and I don't know what I was saying because that was a few minutes ago, right? But, coffee time. Um, what was I talking about? I don't even remember. Work, life, love. What am I talking about? What is it? So I do have to say today, yesterday I was a little on the bored side. Nothing was happening. And, you know, I pretty much stay within these four walls. I get out here and there, but not a lot. Don't really have a lot of people to do things with, so that kind of stinks a little bit. But, you know, it is what it is. And I just keep going forward, right? So other than that, I'm not quite sure what I was talking about. I'm still trying to think, but that's okay. I've been feeling good. I'm not feeling quite as tired as what I used to be. And I don't know if it's because I am losing weight or whatever the case may be, but I do feel so much better already. And, you know, just dropping those pounds, I still got to figure out where I am as far as like, cause you know, I like switched programs and switched up and everything. So Wednesday, I will let everybody know exactly how many pounds that I dropped. And hopefully hopefully I'm over that 12. Cause remember, I got down to 12 really quick and then I blew it. So I don't want to blow it no more. I want to get my weight off and be able to get into these clothes that I want to purchase and the clothes that I have in my closet that I can't fit in. So, and I'd like for those clothes in my closet to turn out to be very big on me. That's the goal anyway, and I need to tone up. So that's why I'm trying to do that yoga, and I'm hoping that that gives me more upper arm strength also. You know, with my job, I talk all day long because I am talking to patients and talking to them about their glasses, about their contacts, you know, different options they have as far as how to get their glasses to be able to see the best out of them, right? So when I sit down in front of the camera, sometimes I have a hard time because I'm like, I've been talking all day. so I'm just like, well, I need a topic. Give me a topic, I can talk all day. I hope you guys liked that video from yesterday. I am asking everyone who watches these videos, could you please like and subscribe for me, please? Just so that I know I'm doing okay, and just so that I know that you guys are liking what I'm saying or what I'm talking about, right? So this week, I am really trying to focus on getting into that next set of numbers as far as going down. And I'm almost there. I'm on a 0. So I want to get down to the next 9, right? Going down, steps down. So hopefully I can do that. I haven't been walking because one, it's been like either really hot and humid or it's been raining every single day almost here. So I'm hoping that that settles down a little bit, but I am walking at work, so and I can walk inside in the air conditioning. So I'm trying to do that on breaks, and I'm going to be better with that this week to where I am getting up and on a 15-minute break, just going and walking for 15 minutes, like try to walk the whole 15 minutes. And then I get 2 of those. So hopefully the second one I can do it for the 15, and then that means I'm walking 30 minutes a day. So I'm gonna take my watch, I'm gonna see how many steps that I can get in. My goal is to have at least 6,000 to 7,000 because I'm not getting that many in a day, and I know that's not nothing. And Miss Bernie, if you're watching, I know you're doing probably about twice that amount. But I need to start slow and then gradually go. And you know, I know you can walk your weight off. I had a cousin who she started walking and she lost 100 pounds just by walking every single day. So as well, my knees and my hips are letting me, I need to start doing that. I am having a little bit of a hip problem, you guys. Like my hip is like starting to get a little sore when I'm walking. I am waking up and it's not moving as quick. So I'm just praying to sweet Jesus above that my hip, that I don't have to have, I don't even want to say it out loud. I don't want to put it out in the universe. But I am not wanting to have a hip replacement. So hopefully I do not have to have that done. Anyway, but I am looking forward to, I'm just looking forward to this week, and hopefully I can stay on track. Hopefully I can vlog everything. And you know, when I screw up, I don't log, and that's stupid. I need to log even when I screw up. Because like I said yesterday, when I went to dinner with my friend on Saturday, I had pizza and I didn't log that. So, and then yesterday, so Saturday night I had pizza. And I didn't have a lot when I was there. You know, I had salad and I ate my whole salad before I allowed myself to have pizza. Then I ate my pizza and I had maybe, and the pizzas come in little squares. So I had like maybe 3 squares of pizza. So I did good, right? And I had like a couple of toasted ravioli. Then when I got home, again, that 8 or 9 o'clock is when I start getting hungry. So that 8 o'clock, I had more pizza. Woke up yesterday and I was hungry and it was in there. I didn't have anything made. And what did I do? I grabbed the pizza. So now here we are. So it's Monday, no more pizza. I finished the pizza off yesterday. So I am looking forward to having a clean bill of food. Clean bill of health, a clean bill of food. So I was like, hey, I got to see Kim, a girl with her phone, on her live. So I was at work, it popped up, she was on live, so I hopped on real quick to say hello. And she's doing really good. Kim, you're doing an amazing job, by the way. And then I've gotten to catch up with Sandy. Hi, Sandy. I hope you're watching. Hello. Sandy's my favorite. I love you, Sandy. I've been watching you since I started Weight Watchers. So, and then I caught up with Roy, and he always has such good recipes, but I've never made them. And I hesitate because even the sweets, when they're not a lot of points or whatever, you know, it's just me. So I'm going to eat that whole entire, whatever I make, I'm going to eat it. So I try to steer away from the sweets, but I haven't made any of those recipes. And that is my goal, is to try to make some of his recipes that he's got going on out there. Just to try something new to kind of, you know, liven it up a little bit. So those are the things. I still haven't caught up. There's still some other people out there that I still need to catch up with on their channels that I watch too. So lots of inspiration happening. Joan is so great with her getting everything, like planning out her meals and doing all. I wish, you gotta teach me. I wished I had that. I don't have that. I don't have that where I can pencil everything in. I tried, you guys seen in the beginning, I bought a thing. I don't ever use it. So I just have to get more mindset into this again, I think. I think that's what's happening, is like I've lost some of that. I've lost some of the, I'm not logging as much. I'm not, you know, I would go in, pick out recipes, try to get them made off of the Weight Watchers app, and I haven't been doing that. So hopefully I can start doing that again. And now that I'm closer to home, maybe, just maybe, first off, if I close, we close at 7, not at 8. So even if I close at 7, I'll be home by 7:15. So that still gives me time, and then I don't have to be back to work until 10:30 or 11 the next day. So that gives me more time at home, which is going to be really nice too, you know. So I am seriously hoping that I can get all of this weight bundled down, you know. I would seriously like, from today's date, to lose 10 pounds by the end of June. That's my goal, 10 pounds in June. Also, my goal is to try to come up with more subscribers. So please, you guys, share my videos if you like them. Go on Facebook, talk to me there. I really would love to be able to communicate with everyone. when I did the live, there were several people who jumped on, and to me that was so wonderful. Me and Blessed Mom had a great conversation. We could have picked the phone up and talked to each other because it was just her and I for a few minutes. But then there was a couple of other people who staggered in. And so this Wednesday, I am going to try to do another live, probably around, I have to close, you know what, I can't. Can't do one on Wednesday night. Oh no, I closed Tuesday night. I can do it. So Wednesday night at 7:30 Central Time, I am going to get on and do a live again for my weigh-in Wednesday. So I hope everybody can join and follow along. I am hoping that the scale is giving me great news. I hope I have that fantastic news. So anyway, I am going to get off of here. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I hope you guys are enjoying your Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Thank you for the service of those who have served our country and are still serving our country. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you for fighting for my freedom every single day. It's a blessing that I can't even describe. It's amazing, and thank you. Thank each and every one of you for doing that. All right, guys, on that note, I am going to go so I can go get ready for work, and I will talk to you guys on Wednesday. Mwah! Bye.